Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase Snapchat score fast on the Snapchat application. All you need to do is to follow these simple steps and watch the video to the end. So first, we need just to go into the Snapchat application and basically to increase the score we know that we need just like to send snaps to other people and we need them to view these snaps. But there is another way to increase your snap score fastly is by sharing these snaps with yourself or in a private snap. So all you need to do is to click on your profile picture here and you will find your profile picture or your profile menu. And basically here in my stories, we will find add to my story and there is a new private story. And basically here you create a new story and just make sure that you are only with it or with the AI or whoever you want. So basically, let's have it with the AI or with yourself and create the story. Name it private. Let's create it again. Create story and private and done. And I'm going to add myself to here. So basically, I'm just going to search for here create story and just like name it AR done, and here we have these private stories. So now we need just to create a new stories and start to send them here to this private. So let's just picture anything and I won't allow, and then you will need just to send to and then go to the private story here and add snap. And basically, after adding the snap, you will start having your score increased. And basically, there is another additional tip. You can start click on the plus icon here and search for the multi-snap. You create multi-snap, and now you can spam having multi-snap and then send all these images to the private story, and you will have your score that will be increased so fast on your Snapchat account. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.